Good morning, algebra students. We're going to talk about correlation and causation. This is the next unit in our lessons for linear equations. So I'm going to play this short video that's going to talk about correlation and causation.
Marcus is the manager of our store. Recently, his stores received a shipment of 25 social. Marcus as Marcus is about to work for social. There's a specific question about his employees getting taken off sick. This puts him in like this week. He was paid his employees about social and his employees Marcus decides to you're getting social.
Okay, so this is a lesson in cause and effect. If you think about it, correlation, he's wondering if there was a relationship, a co-relationship to the fact that he ordered snow shovels and all of his employees are getting sick. And also wondering if there is a causation effect for it. So whenever you have, we talked about co before, like a co-pilot is an assistant pilot. A co-author is a helper of an author, so they both write something together. So a correlation, in your definition, correlation refers to a mutual relationship or a connection between two things. So that's your definition for correlation. It's a partnership or connection between two things. In the video that you watched, the owner felt like there was a correlation between ordering snow shovels and his employees getting sick. So in your definition, write what I've underlined and then give an example sentence. Put something in your own words about what a correlation might be. And you may use the video, such as the owner of the store feels that there's a correlation between ordering snow shovels and his employees getting sick. So now let's talk about causation. In this slide, in this vocabulary slide, number 2 says causation does imply a direction. So let's look at the definition for causation. When a correlation happens, for causation, it's when a change in one variable produces a change in another variable. And hopefully, causation, you will associate this with functions and function tables. Remember, x is the independent variable, but x also bosses y. So x is the boss of y. So y is dependent. This is a good example of causation. Causation is when y depends on x. So if x changes, then y changes. So hopefully you associate causation with functions. Whenever you have a different x variable, you're going to have a different y variable. So you can also associate with tables. Correlation is the same way. Y has a correlationship with X because there's a direct relationship with it. Make sure that you fill in your definition and give an example sentence so that you know how these are associated. Be sure that you put this in your yellow folder and keep it organized for a test so that this can also help you.